Welcome to Lesson 4.1, Multiplication Patterns with Decimals. The essential question for today is, how can patterns help you place the decimal point in a product? For our first problem, we are going to multiply 75 hundredths by increasing powers of 10. All we need to do to solve this is move the decimal to the right when we multiply by each increasing power of 10. First, we will use the identity property. When we multiply 75 hundredths by 1, we get 75 hundredths. When we multiply 75 hundredths by 10, we move the decimal to the right one place and get 7.5. When we multiply 75 hundredths by 100, we move the decimal to the right and we get 75. When we multiply 75 hundredths by 1,000, we move the decimal to the right and fill in a 0 as a placeholder to get 750. For our next problem, we will continue to multiply 5 and 29 hundredths by increasing powers of 10. If we can say that 5 and 29 hundredths multiplied by 10 to the first power is equal to 52 and 9/10, then it would make sense that 5 and 29 hundredths multiplied by 10 to the 0 power would be 5 and 29 hundredths, because it's really the same as multiplying by 1, which is itself. The basis behind that is if 10 to the first power is equal to 10, 10 has 1 0 in it. 10 to the 0 power is 1 because the 10 has no zeros in it. Five and 29 hundredths times 10 to the second power means we're going to move our decimal over one more place to the right to get 529. And when we multiply by 10 to the third power, we're moving the decimal place over one more place to get 5,290. So if we look back at 5 and 29 hundredths, when we multiply by 10 to the third power, we're moving the decimal over 3 places to the right. For our next problem, we're going to multiply 38 by decreasing powers of 10. This time, we're going to move the decimal to the left. 38 times 1 is equal to 38. 38 multiplied by 1/10 is equal to 3 and 8/10. 38 times 100 is equal to 38 hundredths. So if I multiply 38 by 1/10, I'm moving the decimal one place to the left, and if I multiply by 100th, I'm moving the decimal 2 places to the left to get 38 hundredths.